Okay, let us proceed now for the Bernoulli equations. This section aims to distinguish Bernoulli equation from the other linear forms of differential equation and transform equation in Bernoulli into linear and solve the equation. Now, for the Bernoulli equation is a generalized case of the linear form. Bernoulli contains a certain expression in terms of the dependent variable which make it distinct from the other linear form. A Bernoulli equation is the form we have derivative of y with respect to x plus p of x y is equal to y raised to the n q of x. Okay, the expression y raised to n in terms of the dependent variable is what makes it distinct from the other linear form. That is the reason this one is different from the other linear form. Kasi di ba yung kanina, yung sa linear equation, yung dy over dx plus p of xy is equal to q of x. Walang y raised to n. Ngayon, under the Bernoulli equation, we have y to the n. Okay. And then, di ba sabi nga natin, the expression y to the n in terms of the dependent variable is what makes it distinct from the linear form. So, multiplying both sides of the Bernoulli equation by y raised to negative n para mawala to. Okay, we have to multiply. The given is dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to y to the n q of x. Okay, multiply both sides by 1 over y y raised to n. Okay, therefore, this one is y raised to negative n dy over dx plus p of x y raised to negative n plus 1 equal to q of x. Then we can simplify this as negative y raised to negative n dy plus p of x y raised to negative n plus 1 dx equal to q of x times dx. Okay. Then, let y raised to negative n plus 1 is equal to z. Okay. Getting the derivative, we have negative n plus 1 y raised to negative n dy is equal to dc. Okay. Change natin yung para maging y raised to negative n dy is equal to dc over negative n plus 1 is also equal to 1 minus n. Okay. Then, dito na lang sa tabi. Then, substitute your y negative n dy into dc time, over 1 minus n. Change natin to. Therefore, this one is dz over 1 minus n plus this one, p of x, and y raised to negative n plus 1 is equal to z dx equal to q of x dx. Or dz, multiply natin both side by 1 minus n over dx. Okay, para maging dz over dx plus p of x 1 minus n z equal to q of x 1 minus n. Okay, now from this equation, this one is linear in z. The given equation is linear in z. Let us try to solve this one. Example. Example 1. Okay. Solve x squared plus y squared dx minus xy dy equal to 0. Okay, therefore this one is x squared plus y squared dx equal to xy dy. Okay, therefore dy over dx, and this one equal to x squared plus y squared over xy. Simplifying, we have dy over dx equal to x squared over xy plus y squared over xy. They cancel y squared. Okay, therefore, we have dy over dx equal to x over y plus this one is y over x. Okay, therefore, we have dy over dx minus y over x equal to x over y. Okay. Now, the given equation in linear form, eto na, ang linear form natin. Okay, therefore, multiplying both side by y, kasi para matanggal natin, dahil kailangan maibalik natin sa equation na dy over dx plus p of x, p of x, y equal to y to the n q of x. Okay. Therefore, we have, eto na tayo, you have dy, this one is the linear form, dy over dx minus y over x is equal to x over y. Now, multiplying both side by y, kasi kailangan mapalabas natin itong equation natin na yan, y equal to y dy over dx minus y squared over x is equal to x. Okay. Then, let us copy muna. You have y dy over dx minus 1 over x y squared equal to x. Let y squared is equal to z, and you have 2y dy equal to dz, or this one is equal to y dy is equal to dz over 2. Okay, we have to substitute. We have dz over 2 dx minus 1 over x, y squared is z, z equal to x. Okay. Therefore, we have dz over dx minus 2x z equal to 2x. Okay, now preceding the equation is now linear in z. The integrating factor, we have I of xy equal to e raised to negative 2 integral of dx over x. Ito yun, di ba? Okay. Equal to e negative 2 ln of x. Okay, therefore, we have x raised to negative 2. That is the integrating factor. Ngayon, siya yung imumultiply natin dito. You have dc over dx minus 2 over xz equal to 2x times the integrating factor of x raised to negative 2. Therefore, we have x raised to negative 2 dc minus 2x raised to negative 3 z dx equal to 2x negative 1 dx. Okay, therefore this one, pwede natin pag-combine itong dalawa. Sabi natin, you have x negative 2 dc. Anong derivative nito? You have negative 2x negative 3 dx. Integral nito is z. E di anong pagsasamahin natin? Itong dalawa. Okay, we have the derivative of x negative 2 and z. And z is equal to 2x equal to 2 dx over x. Integrate, we have x negative 2z equal to 2 ln of x plus ln of c. Therefore, we have x negative 2z is equal to ln x squared c. But yung z natin ay y squared. Therefore, we have x negative 2 y squared is equal to ln x squared c. Okay, remember that y squared is equal to z. Kaya pinalitan natin. Okay, therefore, we have y squared is equal to x squared ln x squared c.